So you're now starting off your collection in 2025 and you want to know what to start with, you want to know what to choose, you want to know what are the best options to begin your collection with. That's what this video is about. So we're going to dive right into it. If that's you, keep it locked. So we're back on the inside, guys. Your boy Jeriel here. In 2025, we give thanks. You know I appreciate you guys very much. All right, but as I said earlier, this video is for the newcomers. So you're now gonna start off your fragrance collection. You're now getting into this hobby. You want to know what to start with. I'm gonna give you 5 fragrances here that I think are the best to start off your collection with. All these are designers, right? I could probably do a Middle Eastern or a niche, well, not niche, but probably a Middle Eastern, but we're going to stick with the designers because we know that's the brands that you will be familiar with already in terms of the name. So we're going straight into it, guys. The first fragrance that I think you should start off your collection with, or that you may need, they are categorized. The first thing is you need a casual fragrance, a fragrance just to pick up, spray on and go out, right? Run errands, you know, just to leave the house and go somewhere, do something and come back quickly. A casual, simple fragrance, all right? And that fragrance should not be expensive. It should be very reasonable because that's what you're going to be using when you're just running out the house to come back. And that fragrance in 2025, I still recommend this fragrance here, Nautica Voyage. All right, this is still a good cheapie. So just run errands, right? Just to, you know, pick up some stuff here and there. You're gonna smell good, right? Just last week, actually, I smelled this on a guy. I was like, dude, you wear Nautica Voyage. He was like, yeah, right? And it smelled really nice coming off of him. But again, this is, I used to wear this to the gym back in the day when everybody used to gym and whatever the case is. But, you know, well, I pray for me in 2025, right? So, yeah, simple, clean, fresh, inoffensive, pleasant. Of course, it has that aquatic nature, voyage out on the sea. It's just simple and easy to appreciate and very affordable. So you can't go wrong with this fragrance here. So that's your first category, casual category. The next fragrance I would recommend is that you need a versatile fragrance, a fragrance that could work in any setting. It will be applicable to any occasion, daytime, nighttime. It can work in any setting, and most of the times that's what we call a blue fragrance. And this, for me, seeing that you're now starting, would be the best one. There are 1 or 2 other options I would recommend, but this one is still within that affordable range. And this one is Dylan Blue. Dylan Blue by Versace. I would still recommend this as your versatile fragrance, right? Why? 1, it smells good. 2, it performs excellent, right? This fragrance here is not weak. By no means you're going to get some really nice projection and longevity out of this fragrance. And again, it's very affordable. Versace usually sits within that mid-range in terms of price-wise, all right? By the way, you can get all of these at Men's Fragrance and Fashion exclusive outlet on IG, if you're over here in Trinidad, of course. So yes, this is very versatile. You can wear this in daytime, nighttime, formally, casually, whatever. It works in any environment and you're going to smell great. The dry down is the best part. The opening may be somewhat, if you're a really newbie, it may be a little different to you, but just wait 5-10 minutes. This smells great in dry down and you're going to get compliments with this fragrance as well. All right, so that's the second category, the versatile category, and I recommend Versace Dylan Blue. All right, so the next category is for the guys who you have a significant other, you're dating, you're just, you know, like to hang out with that special person, if you're courting, whatever the case is, I recommend this fragrance, right? This is Jean Paul Gaultier Le Parfum. All right, the best one in the line for me, and this is a really nice date night scent. I find it just has that nice lavender. It's very calming and vanilla. It's blended really nice. Again, I'd say one of the best in the Lema line. This fragrance here, ladies love it, right? You have this one. It's very inviting. It's very sensual. So you're gonna draw that lady in when you're wearing this. It's not loud and boisterous, but it's not gonna disappear within the first hour. It's gonna be there, but it's gonna call that person in. So this fragrance is really nice, and I'd say this is the one that you should get if you're thinking about dating or you go on a lot of dates or whatever the case is, this one will work well, right? So this is Jean Paul Gaultier Le Mal Le Parfum. Again, that vanilla, it's just smooth, especially linking with that lavender is going to create that nice aromatic, calm, just a beautiful presence it leaves. All right, so that's this one, date night. Right, so the next category going up a little bit in the price here, but this one is if you're a guy who work in the office, I'd recommend this fragrance right here. It's coming from the house of Dior, and this is Dior Homme 2020. All right, this is not the lipstick iris kind of fragrance. This is clean and woody. It's a simple, clean, woody. ISO-E Super. I mean, I know what's ISO-E Super, but that's just you know, a note of fixative that they put in fragrances to, you know, help with the performance and so on. So this one is very ISO-E Super forward, so it's very woody, right? But in a nice, smooth, classy way. So I'd recommend this one for the office, right? You're working in an office, you're going to smell like a gentleman, you're going to smell like a CEO, you're going to smell like you know what you're doing, right? You come here to work and perform well. You're just going to smell well put together. It's not in your face or anything like that. It's a calm, pleasant fragrance that just gives off a nice, clean aura, a nice woody aura, a nice gentlemanly, if that's a word, aura. All right, Dior Homme 2020. Right, and then the last category is that what people would say clubbing or liming or going out to have fun. You wanna be loud, you wanna be smelling good in the middle of 500 people. This is the fragrance to do that, and this one's coming from Jean Paul Gaultier again, and this is Scandal, the original Scandal, the first one, not the Le Parfum. This fragrance right here, guys. You want to be noticed, you want to be loud, you want to smell sweet and just yummy. This is the fragrance, right? It has that freshness in the opening. It just dries onto that aromatic but smooth caramel, toffee, sweet, and alluring, right? It's very alluring. It's going to pull people in as well. They're going to notice you with this. So this is a fragrance, I'll say, if that's your thing, you want to get this in your collection to just head out there and make a statement, make a presence, make yourself known in the midst of all the people that you're aligning with or whatever. They're going to ask you what you have on here. Scandal by Jean Paul Gaultier. So altogether, that's the 5 fragrances and the 5 categories that I recommend for you new guys. You're now getting into this. These will do you well. All of them have great performance, so you're not going to be disappointed in terms of the performance. They smell great and they're going to suit the occasion well. They're going to do you well. Of course, there are alternatives to these. There are other fragrances that, you know, can replace these, but from my collection, these are the ones that I recommend for you to start with. All right, so if you're a newbie watching this video, leave it down in the comments what you may have been looking at. If you came across any of these and you're willing to purchase them even based on this video, whatever the case is, let me know down in the comments. If you're a seasoned guy, you could probably leave a comment as well to help the new guys and so on. So it's a community, right? One family here, men's fragrance and fashion. Your boy Jeriel doing it again. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Of course, it helps out the algorithm. And again, if you're new, subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. And click the bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. All right, but that's it for today. I hope this was helpful in some way. I hope you could take something from this video and apply it and get some results. All right, so again, all the best for 2025, guys. I appreciate you watching, my returning viewers, new viewers, and so on. Much love always. So as we say here, stay fresh, smell your best, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, I'm out. Take care. Peace.